Zimbabwe Schools Examination Council General Mathematics Ordinary Level Paper 1, written on the 4th of June 1999, question number 10. The following notice was displayed at an airport. Temperature, degrees Celsius, at Air Zimbabwe International Destinations, date 3 January 1999. So that is the table we are given. Frankfurt, the minimum temperature and the maximum temperature, the minimum being minus 11 degrees Celsius, the maximum minus 3 degrees Celsius. Larnaca, the minimum is 9 and the maximum is 20. London, minus 5 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. Then Rome, 10 degrees Celsius and 13 degrees Celsius. So 10A, at which destination, part 1, was the lowest temperature recorded? So when we are asked about the destination where the lowest temperature was recorded, obviously it's Frankfurt, because the maximum temperature at Frankfurt is minus 3 degrees Celsius. The maximum at Larnaca is 20, at London it's 0, and Rome is 13. So since the question is asking about the lowest temperature recorded, obviously for 10A, our answer, part 1, would be Frankfurt. Let us go to the second part. So just to recap the first part, the question is asking about the lowest temperature recorded. So we go to the maximum temperatures in these 4 destinations and find out which of them is the lowest temperature recorded. And in this case, it's Frankfurt with minus 3 degrees centigrade or degrees Celsius. So let us go to the second part of the question. At which destination was the greatest range of temperatures recorded? So firstly, we need to understand the concept of range. That when we are talking about a range, basically, it's the maximum subtracting the minimum. So in our case, the maximum temperature subtracting the minimum temperature. So actually, we can add a table of range here. And we need to put the different range. For Frankfurt, it will be minus 3 subtracting minus 11. So this is the trick of this question. We are going to be subtracting directed numbers. And we should understand that in order for us to find the range, we are subtracting the maximum minus the minimum. And our maximum is minus 3. We can as well put it in brackets, minus our minimum, which is minus 11. So minus 3 minus minus becomes plus 11, which eventually gives us 8 degrees Celsius. So here it's 8. Then 20 minus 9, it's direct. Our maximum temperature in Larnaca is 20, the minimum is 9, so 20 minus 9, obviously it's 11. Then for London, 0. Let us do for London. So this was for Frankfurt, just F. Then for London, we are saying it's the maximum temperature 0 minus minimum temperature minus 5. And when negatives multiply, or to put it frankly, when negative signs meet and greet, kana negative signs akasangana, they become positive. So minus minus 5, it's plus 5, which Actually, it's written just as 5. So here it's 5. Then here it's actually direct. We are saying the maximum temperature of 13, subtracting the minimum of 10. So here it's 3. Back to our question. At which destination was the greatest range of temperatures recorded? So obviously, the greatest range of temperatures was recorded at Larnaca, where the temperature range is 11 degrees Celsius. At Frankfurt, it's 8. At London, it's 5. Then at Rome, it's 3. So having done so, we have completed part A of the question. Let us go on to the second part, which is B. Now B says, on, on 4th January, the minimum temperature recorded in Frankfurt was 3 degrees Celsius lower than on 3rd January. So we need to know what is the minimum temperature recorded in Frankfurt on the 3rd of January. So obviously, with our table here, we'll find out that the minimum temperature is minus 11 degrees Celsius recorded on the 3rd. Remember our date, 3 January 1999. And the first part of our question is saying on the 4th of January, the minimum temperature recorded in Frankfurt was 3 degrees Celsius lower than on the 3rd of January. Calculate the minimum temperature in Frankfurt on the 4th of January. So take it, for example, I tell you that I actually have 3 oranges lower than what you have. And you find out that you have 5 oranges. So you have 5 oranges and I have 3 oranges lower than what you have. So obviously, we are subtracting 3 from 5. I'll be having 2. So this is the logic of the question. What the question demands is, in order for us to find the minimum temperature in Frankfurt on the 4th of January, we are going to say the minimum temperature on the 3rd minus 11 in brackets, subtracting the minimum temperature, the 3 degrees Celsius lower part. So it's simply minus 3. And minus 11 minus 3, it's what? Minus 14 degrees Celsius will be our answer. So this question was based on mainly the topic of dealing with directed numbers, because we were tasked to subtract negatives. And the other part of this question was to find out if we understand how to find the range and if we understand how to deal with situations where negative signs meet and greet. So this is question 10 for you. Join in for question 11. Thank you.